Hey guys, good morning. I popped on here really quick to do this new eye look for you. It's using blues and greens. Ignore Charlie barking down there. Proof. Anyhow. Charlie, you need to shush. Charlie. Please. So let's intro. I'm suck. Anyways, keep watching if you want to see how I got this eye look, you guys. Subscribe, like, let me know what you want to see, and maybe try to be quiet next time. Charlie. So to start it off, I'm going to go in with Myth. Go all over the eyelid. Next, I'm going to start with the darkest color. And we're going to be this nice dark blue right here. And just layer it and blend it out. Next, I'm going in with this greenish color right here called Celia. Now I'm going to go in with Mystic. So remember, if you do the lighter colors in the inner eye, it's going to make your eye seem bigger. Let's go back in. I'll lightly pat it in and blend. And we're going to use this to slightly blend out even more. Basically, I just like patting it. Next, I have my Cover FX glitter drops in the color Aurora, and slightly on my inner eye. Next, I'm going to go in with this purple color right here, and that's called Fairy. And we're going to do the lower lash line with that. And then my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil for my waterline. And we're going to my handy dandy liquid liner by Beverly Cosmetics. It's called the Roller Liner. A quick dose of Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. And the reality is, my lashes need help. I don't have extensions on, which means I'm putting on falsies.